In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create client list in ClickUp. First, open your browser and head to clickup.com. If you don't already have the app open, choose the option to continue with Google. When the Google window appears, select the account you want to use. This simply authenticates you and brings you into your workspace so you can start organizing. Once you're in, create a dedicated space. Click New Space, give it a clear name that reflects your client work, then click Continue and create space. Think of a space as the highest level container for a specific area of your business. Keeping client work in its own space helps you separate it from internal projects or other departments. Inside your new space, click the plus sign to create a folder. Choose Folder, name it something meaningful, like Upwork Clients or another client category, and click Create. A folder is a great middle layer that groups related client lists together, so everything is easy to find. Now let's build the actual client lists inside that folder. Click List, then click the plus to add a new list. Select List, type your client's name or company, and click Create. Each list will represent one client, which makes it simple to keep tasks, due dates, and priorities organized per client. Use consistent naming so your sidebar stays clean. Repeat that process to add your second client. Click the plus, choose List, enter the client name, and create. Do the same for a third client. Plus, List, Name, Create. In just a minute, you've set up 3 separate client lists under a single folder. Open your first client list to add work. Click Add Task to create a task. Next, set a due date by clicking the Due Date field. Use the calendar highlight to select the date that matches your deadline, then confirm. Assigning a due date keeps your timeline visible in every view. Now click Priority to set how urgent the task is. Use a higher priority for items that need attention soon, so they stand out in your workflow. Move to your second client list and repeat the same flow. Click Add Task, set the due date using the highlighted date on the calendar, and set the priority. Applying the same structure across clients makes reporting and filtering much easier later. That's it. You now have a clean space with a folder and individual client lists, plus tasks with clear deadlines and priorities. As you continue, you can refine details like statuses, assignees, and descriptions, but the core setup you just built is all you need to manage clients confidently in ClickUp.